My name is Paola. I own a head wrap company, and I love your hair. I would love to wrap you. Is that okay?
Sure. And I love your name, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm LaPortia.
LaPortia, nice to meet you. I only had 2 head wraps in my bag. You're wearing this blue dress. I thought this would be a great contrast. Okay. All right. I want to leave your bangs, and I want to leave the hair at the top.
Okay.
Here we go. Do you want to tell us more about where you're from or how long you've lived in Austin, if you do live here?
So, I'm originally from Louisiana. Went to high school in Houston, then went to college just north of Dallas in Denton. Stayed there for a while, then of course when the pandemic hit, I was kind of like, well, why am I staying? So I've kind of been a slight nomad throughout this time since 2021. And I've been in Austin for about a month, a little over a month now.
Wow, welcome to Austin.
Thank you.
Head wrap is done.
Oh wow.
I left your hair out just because I love what it's doing up there. I love your bangs. And let's take a look at it together. The side here.
So
it's so cute, right? I feel like you were wearing this already.
I love it.